We've just been hit with an explosive leak, your first peek at the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, and trust me, the surge of anticipation is real. Shared exclusively by drone enthusiast Jasper Ellens. Through Drone XL, what we're seeing are intriguing hands-on images and fresh intel on features, pricing, and the all-important release timeline. So, buckle in as we explore what makes the Mini 5 Pro potentially DJI's next lightweight game-changer. New design language, gimbal and sensor upgrade. Our dive begins with a sharp image capturing the front-facing gimbal. Notably, there's a departure from previous models. A re-engineered frame supports a 1-inch sensor, a leap promising higher res, low-light performance. Flanking the primary optics are dual LAR sensors, likely intended for smarter obstacle detection or enhanced visual intelligence. This redesign heralds a bold stride forward in DJI's evolution of compact drones, hinting at truly pro-grade imaging in a sub-250-gram package. Propulsion reimagined, motors and propellers advancing to the propulsion side. The motors exhibit a deeper, matte finish and are now compatible with quick-release propellers, a fast-swap convenience DJI fans have long desired. This promises not just ease in transport and setup but also reduces downtime, especially critical when seizing fleeting golden hour shots. These subtle yet substantial refinements raise the bar for what respectable performance looks like in ultralight drones. Bottom view breakthrough, new power port and C0 classification. Next, the bottom image reveals two significant evolutions: a power-led port, akin to those found on the larger Mavic and Air series, marking the first time such a power connection appears on a mini-class model. This opens doors for on-the-fly charging and external power support, enhancing practical usability. Critically, the drone appears to stay within the coveted C0 weight category, ensuring users won't need to register it, a key advantage for casual aerial shooters and travelers. DJI may well be positioning the Mini 5 Pro as both legally convenient and technically elevated. Safety meets style. Removable duct propeller guards. One standout revelation: duct propeller guards with low noise tips that look remarkably similar to the Mini Flip's design, but with a clever twist. These guards are removable, offering modularity. Users can attach them for safety-conscious environments or remove them for streamlined performance when noise and drag are concerns. In terms of usability, this is a thoughtful hybrid approach. Defensive design meets aerodynamic flexibility. Instant capture. The new Quick Launch side button, perhaps the most exciting feature. According to Jasper Ellens, the Mini 5 Pro includes an extra side button, which auto-launches the drone and begins recording quick shots, all without needing the controller. Very reminiscent of inspirations from DJI's Neo and Flip models. That means, on-the-move aerial capture, hands-free initiation, effortless cinematic shots. These point-and-go capabilities could redefine spontaneity in aerial videography. Price tag and launch timing. What to expect? Finally, let's talk numbers and dates. The Fly More combo kit, bundled with the RC2 controller, is rumored to retail at approximately $1,200, a premium tier for sure. But considering the upgraded sensor, modular safety, and auto-launch features, it may appeal to pros and creatives alike. As for when it lands, current leaks suggest a release slated for September next year. This places us roughly 12+ months from now, depending on regional rollout. Mark your calendars, but stay tuned, because I'll be sharing real-time updates directly in my community section to keep you ahead of the curve. Why the Mini 5 Pro could be a game-changer. Let's unpack why this leak matters. Elite imaging in a lightweight body, a 1-inch sensor and dual LAR sensors boosting capture quality without tipping into heavier, regulated weight classes. Fast swap motors and props, enables quick field adjustments, perfect for travel bloggers, action videographers, or dynamic environments. Power-led convenience, for extended sessions, home base ops, or emergency power supplies. Modular safety design, removable guards allow shift between maximum safety and sleek minimalism. Controllerless quick launch, elevates spontaneity and ease of use, especially for one-person crews. C0 exemption, stays under 249 G, avoiding registration headaches and staying compliant in most jurisdictions. Pro-level pricing, $1,200, positions it in a premium bracket, but matched by features that justify the cost. September 2026 launch whispers, sets clear expectations for interested buyers and reviewers. Final thoughts: should you be excited? If these specs hold, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could disrupt the sub-250G drone space entirely, merging professional photography tools, travel-friendly design, and smart usability features in a lightweight package. Imagine seamlessly capturing cinematic B-roll for your next vlog on the go, activating your drone with a button press, and flying legally without registration hassles. That kind of freedom is rare. And with DJI's ecosystem, from accessories to firmware, that prosumer polish could seal the deal.